Hello and welcome to December Doodles. Today is day 13 and we're going to be drawing Christmas gnomes. We're going to start with a circle or an egg shape. Either's fine. Make sure you draw it lightly because this is a guideline and you're going to rub it out again a bit later on. This is going to be the body of your gnome. Now we need to draw a horizontal line where we want the bottom of his hat to come down to. And we're going to turn that into a triangle. Now we're going to start adding details, so you might want to press on a bit harder or use a pen for these next bits. Let's add some squiggly shapes to his beard, like this. Now we can rub out the light guidelines of the oval. Now let's add a rim to the bottom of his hat, kind of like a curvy rectangle. And a bit of a curve at the top to give his hat some shape. Let's put a bobble on top. And rub out the guide triangle. You can experiment with different shaped hats. They can be pointier or curvier, loopier or droopier. Try them out and see which you like best. The rest we can draw using little oval shapes. We can just see his nose poking out from under his hat. Now for his feet, you can just see them sticking out beneath his beard. And finally his hands, unless he has them tucked up under his beard to keep warm. Ta-da! You've drawn a Christmas gnome! I hope you enjoyed creating those. Keep your pictures safe so you can come back to them later on in December Doodles. See ya!